In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix dead pixels on Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about potential solutions for dead and stuck pixels on any Android smartphone. If you notice that there is a specific pixel that is stuck on a color like red, green, or blue, or if one of your pixels is fully black as if it was turned off, then you can follow the instructions on this video to address this. Usually this will be attached to hardware, and in that case, if it is a problem with the screen physically, there isn't much to do. However, there is a very convenient application called Dead Pixels Test and Fix that can help address these issues. So download it for free on the Google Play Store. You will notice that it has more than 5 million downloads, and what you can do here is choose the option to check and fix dead pixels. By checking for dead pixels, it is going to fully color the screen with a specific color like red, green, and then blue, allowing you to easily pick up and identify a pixel that is standing out as being different. And then by running the fix dead pixel function, it is going to display all of these different colored rows, and oftentimes it will mix them up randomly like this. This can help restore the functionality of a stuck pixel, so a pixel that is stuck on a specific color and it's not switching for whatever reason. Now, like I said before, some pixels are going to be fully dead, and in that case, they will just display black. If that's the case, then sadly there isn't much that you can do. What I would recommend after you run the tool multiple times automatically is to restart your phone. Sometimes a full restart can help clear up temporary glitches. Besides this, you can try updating the Android firmware version and see if it works. If it still does not work and the pixel is stuck even after you restart, you perform the update, and you run tools like the Dead Pixel Finder and Fix, then it is usually going to be a problem related to the screen, and in that case you will need to purchase a replacement and take it to a repair shop. I wouldn't recommend doing it yourself. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix dead pixels on Android phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.